Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing our backyard scavenger hunt stim kit and our nature creature craft. So go ahead and grab your backyard scavenger hunt bag, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and a piece of paper. After you've gone out into the backyard or to the local park, bring your bag of nature goodies inside and empty them out on the table. In mine I found a stick, I got some grass, some acorns, a couple of rocks, and some leaves. Be sure to hang on to all these things because we'll be using them to create our nature creature in the next part of our video. After you've emptied your bag of all your nature findings, go ahead and grab your paper, your glue stick, and your scissors. And then turn on your imagination and start thinking about the nature creature you want to make. In the video, I'm making an owl. You can do the same, or you can try to make something else like a butterfly or a fox. After you finish making your nature creature, be sure to snap a picture of it and so you can show us next time you visit the library.